September is the transition period that will end old chapters and open new ones. Before I continue, do subscribe to my channel because liking and sharing is part of energy exchange. Do not just take and give nothing in return because karma is real. Share it with the people who must know before the solar eclipse comes. We recently experienced a very powerful lunar eclipse, also called blood moon. There were emotional endings, karmic people leaving who were no longer an energetic match for you. They were meant to leave. So do not go back into that old loop. It was a karmic pattern kept on repeating like a loop. We learned through it and then it was time to release. Now the solar eclipse is bringing an entirely different energy. Now this September 21 on new moon, this one does not have a fancy name like the lunar eclipse that had the name blood moon, but the energy of this one will open new chapters. This period will unlock your destiny even if you are not ready for it. This solar eclipse will reset your sense of identity, your purpose, and your direction. The collective will face their shadows, the shadow of authority, ego, visibility, authority. Where is the power imbalance? The fake spiritual leaders that will be all exposed. If you have visibility wounds, if you have been hiding from your own power, all of that will be brought to light. You can no longer hide. Another shift that the collective will experience, healing will be soul based. Your routines will change. There will be a shift in your sleep patterns, the diet you take, healthy diet, clean diet. The entire focus will shift to soul based healing. Perfectionism, overthinking, anxiety, all of this will be released. The second shift you will experience, service versus sacrifice. Where are you overgiving? Whether the service is making you feel nourished or it is draining you. If it is draining, all of that will have to be released. Another, all of this fake productivity culture, just working, no rest, being ambitious. When we want to rest, but we force ourselves to work because being ambitious is right, but resting is laziness. This false belief will be cleared. People will realize that money means nothing if you don't have good health to enjoy it. During this time, you might experience bloating, your skin might break out, your digestion system might slow down. That is all forcing you to align your lifestyle. So, just to be safe, instead of eating heavy, unhealthy food, fried food, shift to the lighter food, the nourishing food that is home cooked. Start aligning your lifestyle. Otherwise, this eclipse will force you to do it. Many people will also feel the urge to shift into a different category of work, soul aligned service. If your career, your job does not feel satisfying, you would want to leave it. So consider this video your sign that if you do not feel that this work you are doing is soul aligned, that you are feeling satisfied and it fulfills you, your heart is full and you want to do it, this is your sign to shift from that work. This eclipse is asking us to let go of illusions and step into our soul aligned service. So, old chapters are closing and new doors are opening for you. New chapters in your lifestyle, in your career, in your relationships, everything is about to shift. Do not fear these eclipses. I heard someone telling me that be careful on this lunar eclipse. I asked why? And what is wrong with it? Everything is going to turn upside down. Something bad might happen. Please be careful. Something bad might happen. And I said, I don't need to worry about anything. And neither do you. The eclipses are not to harm. I don't know why people are thinking about that. They are releasing what does not serve us and bringing what is aligned with this new energy. The shift you will experience, people who are aligned with you, the career that is aligned with you, relationships. So if you watched videos where you were supposed to do this, do that, do this totka, sure, if you believe in it, do it, but the energies will automatically shift you towards your betterment. Because even I personally experienced this. The people I felt were part of some karmic loop. Every time I went towards them, and their energy was no longer aligned with the one that I have right now. Because I do not accept anymore that I have to overgive in order to receive. I do not force and take care of the relationships in which I feel that only I am the one who is carrying the weight of it. So, release those relationships. I release them. When something is truly coming from my heart, I give the love from the overflow and not because I want to fill the void within me through that person. No, stop it. Relationships that don't feel natural, like a flow, that you don't have to force it, you don't have to fix it, only those relationships are going to continue after this eclipse. And I just saw 333, the timer on my video. So another important sign that this is meant for you. So every shadow aspect, overgiving, overthinking, lack of self-worth, lack of self-love, visibility wounds. You are fearful to come outside, to speak what you truly want to speak. Whatever made you hesitant, that is all going to go. No more hiding, no more shadows. Thank you so much for joining. I will see you guys in my next video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment box and I will get back to that. Thank you so much. Bye.